Aloe Soothing Night Cream. For sensitive skin. Soothes and calms sensitive skin. Vegan. What does it do for you? Our gentle Aloe Soothing Night Cream is sensitive skin's BFF. Especially when it's having a bit of a hard time. It might be feeling a little stressed out, dry or rough. And if that's the case, then it's time to get back to basics. The Body Shop's Aloe Night Cream is just the place to start. Enriched with community fair trade aloe, our kind-to-skin formula helps to soothe and hydrate overnight. But why is your skin feeling sensitive? It could be genetics, hormones, stress or the elements, all made worse with the wrong skincare. That's why our best night creams for sensitive skin should always hydrate, not irritate. We have lots of tips and recommendations for you to read on the Body Shop's night creams and night moisturizers. Our Aloe Soothing Night Cream is velvety soft to apply. Just smooth it all over your delicate little face before your head hits the pillow and we'll take care of the rest. Kind and gentle for sensitive skin. Enriched with community fair trade aloe vera from Mexico. Vegan formula helps to soothe skin overnight. How to use 1, for our sensitive friends. Cool down first and cleanse with our Aloe Calming Cream Cleanser. 2. Swipe a bit of our Aloe Calming Toner with a cotton pad over skin. 3. Dab on our Aloe Soothing Eye and Lip Contour Care for extra hydration. 4. Now for our Aloe Soothing Night Cream. Scoop a small amount onto your fingertips and smooth all over. That's better. 5. Sweet dreams. Stay clean. Take care of your skin. Stay healthy. Bye bye Tata.